Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and today I want to share with you a recipe, cookies recipe that's my style, chocolate chip. Let's see the ingredients. Chocolate chip, flour, butter, nib almond, brown sugar, castor sugar, sodium bicarbonate, baking powder, chopped almond, egg. First, I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar. This is a very easy and simple cookies, which you don't need any mixer or what. You just use your hand also, and anybody at home can do it. Okay, we mix this until it turns a lighter color. The eggs. Pinch of salt, my flour, and also my sodium bicarbonate and my baking powder. Mix well. And now I'm going to add in the nuts. Actually, nuts is all your choice. At home I have my nib and also my blanched almond, my chopped almond. If you wish to change to your walnut or pecans or hazelnut, it's all up to your choice. And finally, my chocolate chip. You knead until you get this texture. It's soft and it's not hard, but what you need to do now is you can always put this in the refrigerator, wrap it in a cling wrap or in a plastic, should I say, airtight container, and chill it for a while before you start shape it and bake it. I'm going to keep this in my Ziploc bag and you chill it for a while. Actually, you can deep freeze this also, because when you deep freeze and when you need to do it, just take out and toy and start shaping the balls for your chocolate chip. After you chill this for a while, what you need to do is you just take and you just do this. This is how. If you want to use your teaspoon, you also can, but I prefer to do this way, easier for me. Once it's ready, you can start baking at, should I say, 170 Celsius, and at around, this one it takes a very short time, maybe 12 minutes. You can start baking now. Okay. If you want to know how the cookies is done, what I mean is cooked, you just can push this. If it runs smoothly from the baking tray, that means it's already cooked. It's easy for you to just do it. Transfer it on a plate. Here is my chocolate chip cookies. I'm sure the smell is very yummy. I feel like just want to eat hot. But then for you who wish to try these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai and press the bell button.